Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel, Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous paper quilling necklace along with the matching earrings, which is made using paper quilling strips, and I have created this for Mother's Day. Can you see how intricate and gorgeous this is looking? You can wear this with sari or any western wear and it will look fab. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with making the flowers, and for one petal I am taking here half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. The strips I am going to use today are having 45 centimeters length. So according to that you have to take yours. So teardrop is ready. Similarly, we need total 6 teardrops to construct one flower. Now I am joining all the petals together and making the flower. So flower is ready. Now since we are going to wear this and it should be permanent, so to attach the center part of the flower I am taking here Fevikwik and then attaching half cut pearl. So it will attach to flower permanently. Allow it to dry. Similarly, we need total 5 dark pink color flowers. Now I'll share how to make white flowers with the same method. For this I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Then joining total 6 petals again and adding half cut pearl in the center. So this is done, and with the same method we need 5 white flowers. Now taking both flowers and we need to varnish it to make it waterproof and sturdy. So for that I am taking here paper quilling varnish or paper glaze by Craft Gully and then applying it using brush. This is perfect varnish I am using today. I have used many but I liked and loved this one so much. It gives perfect shine to your work and also it makes your work very sturdy and strong. And don't forget to add the varnish from front and back both sides. So with the similar method I'll add varnish on all the flowers. Now I'll show you how to make the pearl hanging. For this I am taking here eye pin which is having loop on the back side. This is in silver color, and one big size pink color pearl. So just passing the eye pin through the pearl like this, cutting the excess wire from top and then just twisting it using plier and making the loop shape. Like this. So the pearl hanging is ready, very easy. With a similar method I have already prepared some more hangings using small size of pearls in white and pink color. Now it's time to arrange our necklace. So here I am taking pink flower and one silver color jump ring. This is having 6 mm width. Now passing it through the one of the petal like this and then passing pink color hanging which we have created, closing the jump ring. Like this. Then taking one white color flower and I have already attached 3 jump rings, one in top, one in exactly bottom, and one on the left side of the bottom center here. So all 3 are silver jump rings only. So first I am attaching the top jump ring with the pearl like this, securing the jump ring. Then I am taking small pearl bead hanging like this, which is made using eye pin, and exactly in the bottom I am connecting this. So this is done. Then for the other side, I am taking one more white flower on which I have already connected one jump ring on top and in the bottom. So one of the jump ring I am securing first and then passing it through this jump ring to connect both the flowers. And this is nicely secured. I think the steps are clear till now. Now taking one more dark pink flower on which from top and bottom I have already connected white jump rings or silver jump rings. Then taking small size pink pearl bead hanging, passing through the one of the jump ring from bottom. Like this. Then taking back the previous work which we have created and connecting this flower with the white color pearl bead. So just opening the jump ring, passing the bead through this and securing it. Like this. So the right side of necklace is ready. With the similar method I have prepared left side of the necklace using the same method, just in the mirror image. Now it's time to connect this from the center. So we need some more flowers. So between these white flowers I am going to attach pink flower. On this I have already attached the jump ring from left and right sides, and in the bottom I am going to use white color flower which will come between these two beads, and on this flower also I have attached silver jump ring already. So the necklace should look like this, and I am going to attach it quickly. So I have attached here everything and the necklace should look like this. Now you can stop on this step, but I am going to add the hanging in the bottom. So for this we need to create one tight coil which is made using half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm. Like this, just creating the hole nicely and passing one silver jump ring through this. Keeping it aside, then making one more hanging. So here I am taking silver T-pin which is having dot kind of shape in the bottom, passing one small pink pearl through this flower bead and one small white pearl. Then just creating the loop using remaining wire. So the beautiful hanging is ready. And then it's time to attach this with the tight coil jump ring. Then taking back my necklace, and exactly in the center I am sticking this pink tight coil. So just connecting the pink tight coil, and on left and right sides I am adding small dark pink tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip. Like this, allow it to dry completely, and the beautiful necklace is ready. It's dried. Now it's time to attach the chain with the topmost flowers. So again I am taking silver color jump ring, passing through the top petal, and then attaching one silver chain which is having 9 centimeter length. So I am creating here small size necklace according to the size of my neck, but it's all up to you. If you want to make it longer, take the long size of the chain. Then taking one more jump ring and attaching one more piece of chain on other side. This side also I am taking 9 centimeter long chain. Then attaching one jump ring on the end, and then passing one lobster clasp through this so that we can lock the necklace. And this is nicely secured. So the beautiful necklace is ready. Now it's time to make the matching earrings. So here I am taking this white color flower which is exactly same like necklace, one tight coil which is made using half strip of dark pink, and one small tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of dark pink. Now first I am attaching these tight coils on top and in the bottom. So the top one I'll add like this, and in the bottom I am adding the flat tight coil. Then I have passed two silver color jump rings from both the tight coils and already created this hanging just like we made for the necklace center. So just passing from the bottom tight coil, secure it nicely, and from the top jump ring I am attaching silver color earring hook. And the beautiful earring is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared one more. So cute. So the complete set is finished and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. You can make it in different colors according to your dresses, matching to the dresses. I am going to gift it to my mom on upcoming Mother's Day. You can also create this for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.